Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'm gonna show you the easy velocity tutorial edit on CapCut. So here what the video will look like, and I'm gonna show you how you can make one. So first open your CapCut and import your video like this, and then after that you can add audio. So here I'm using the audio from the CapCut itself, so I'm choosing the very recommended sound, and here is what I added to my video that you just saw. This one's right here, and then after that go back and click on this video and go to style and swipe until you find the auto velocity. So click on that style and wait for the generating process to be finished. So it may take a while and you just need to be patient because it depends on the length of the video. Okay, so now it's done. So I'm going to just adjust it. So you can adjust the interval between 2 beats. So I'm going to just adjust it into 0.2 seconds, and then I'm going to go back and it's regenerating again. Okay, so now it's done, and here is the final result. You can see. Okay, so that's all from me. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give me a like and smash the subscribe button down there, and also don't forget to leave a comment. That's it for me today. See you guys next time.